Alright guys, good afternoon guys. Nag-starting naman tayo guys. Naku, wala pa yata. Ayun na guys oh. Alas 3 sa kiss guys. Ayun guys oh. Mag-upisa naman tayo pero honest to goodness guys. Nakatatlo agad ako kasi guys oh. Yan, tatlo agad yan. Thank you po Mr. Babauta investigator guys for buying my fish this morning. Thank you bro. At least I buy to them my bread again. Continuous ko lang. So my spot ko is this morning guys. I met Mr. Babauta in the Pagarapan because I check in Pau. But I don't know what happened in Pau by guys. But it's a lot of Filipino there too to fishing. That's why I'm moving guys. And then I check the Garapan. But only a little bit I catching guys. Alright, continuous ko lang guys. Mr. B, I love you bro. Guys, number 4 again. Yeah. Mukhang malakit-yakit to guys. Come on mama. Oh, she's palong guys. Yeah. Guys, coming. Mukhang malaki guys. Malaki si mama guys. Yun guys oh. Going bigger guys. Going bigger na naman. Sige ko. I trying the Garapan but I'm not lucky there guys. I come back my spot again. This is again number 4. Continuous natin guys, okay? Number 5 guys. Oh mama. Alright, number 5. This is it. Number 5. It's okay that one guys already. Good size already. Alright guys. Number 6 again guys. Ayun. Not bad already that one guys. Ayan oh. Continuous tayo guys. Alright. Number 6. Continuous lang. Habang guys kumakagat, still biting, you always fishing. But by the way, tomorrow maybe I don't have car. I go to my house place. Silang kind of fishing again guys. Not this time. Okay? Tomorrow guys because I don't have car already. Alright. Number 7 guys. Sana yun. Okay guys, whoop. Yan lang kalalaki guys. Okay na yan guys. Kasi pag wala ng alon guys. Ayun sa labas na nga guys kumagagat eh. Kailan yan Papa Jerry. Ayun na siya guys oh. Pang pito niya ata yun. Yan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 6 7. Alright, continue natin guys. Number 8 guys. Bilang. Uy. Yeah oh. Come on. Yeah. Come on, mama. Number 8, guys. Maybe it's big size. Oh, yeah. Good size already, guys. Not bad. Number 8. Woohoo. Let's go lang, guys. Iba pa Jerry, this go lang. Continues natin. Big size already, guys. It's okay that already. Number 8. Number 9, guys. I'm tired already, guys. You know what happened, guys? To be, I have this stand. Kasi every throwing my rod and reel continues biting. Ayun guys oh. Going big guys. Wow. This big size already guys. Very big size already. Alright, continues na Papa Jerry. Number 9. Woohoo. Guys, I'm losing another one. At least in number 10 guys. The following. Yes, not big size but it's still okay already. Woohoo. Alright, continues tayo guys. May fisherman na tayo guys doon no. Yes sir. Yeah. It's okay guys already. Continues lang. Guys, number 11 guys. You know, Opo naman tayo sa ating lunggan. Naputulan kasi tayo guys eh. Ayun. Dito. Naputulan tayo guys, kaya ayun manibalang kasi may fisherman doon guys nakatagos sa coconut tree. Tayo dito lang tayo guys. Init eh guys. Alas 4 na siguro guys, o alas 3:40. By the way, number 12 guys. There, not bad for me that one already guys. Putisan tayo guys, habang nakupo tayo, habang kumagat sila guys. Number 12. I broke the record last history guys, 32 I think. But this time, number 12. Number 13 guys. Guys kita niya guys. Malaki-laki to guys Ayun, laki guys. Ayun. Yung nagtatago yung ano doon ng isang fishing mo. Grabe bigat nito Laki talaga guys Yung guys dulce yan sa loob. Yan. Pang 13 ito. Okay. Yung laki yan. Guys. Number 14. Mabigat to guys kasi malaki. Kung sumasama naman guys si following. Come on mama. Yung guys, yung laki talaga guys. Kita mo yan guys. Grabe yan yung lalaki Number 14. Tingnan nyo naman guys sa loob. 15 guys. Ayan guys not bad na yan guys. At least meron sa wala guys Number 15. Yan, this is it. Number 16 guys. Okay, big size na to guys. Yun. Uy. 1 pound guys. Every ticket 1 pound. Yan Napuno naman yan ngayon mamimay guys. Alright, continue natin guys. Alright, mama sold that. Alright guys, number 17.
Guys, you can use that for bait.
See?
Oh, yeah. Holy
See?
shit, that's big. Nice. Perfect size maputi.
Yeah, that's why you bring your rod and go fishing, katsig maputi. Alright guys, number 18 90 I forgot already guys, pusta kids. Bothered me.
Let's go. Fish on. Fish on. Let's go. And I carry two better. Uy! Uy! Oh, look at his rod. Look at his rod, bro. And look at that fish. Oh!
Guys, continuous natin guys. Magulo mga bata. Okay. Guys, number 20 or 22. I forgot already guys. And this guys Uy! Come on mama. Yeah. This is it. Only outside. Okay, continuous natin guys. At least we have insured already guys. We have 20 pieces or 21 or 22. That's it. I don't know, but I can catch so 30 pieces, more 10 pieces or 15 guys. Continuous lang natin guys Alright guys. Number 22. These guys Come on mama. It's okay already, not big guys, but at least still catching guys. See? Yeah. It's big size na already guys. See? Yes, this is it. Continuous natin guys. Kasampu pa tayo, already 30. Right? Alright guys. 22 guys, oh. Already 5 guys. Oh, see, he don't have time. Oh, guys. Going big, going big. Going big, going big. Isko lang. 22. Alright guys. Yeah, number 26, si Iglesia guys. We want to buy 2 pounds. Yeah, see, look, si Mama guys. Woo. Come on, number 26. Come on, come on. Alright. Number 26 guys. Oh guys, this is again me catching today guys. Only maputi all guys. But somebody want to buy Iglesia family guys. That's it. Now I make now. Okay. This morning I catching like 9 pieces, but this time I catching like over 20 pieces guys. Okay. Thank you for watching the video guys. Please don't forget, if you want my fish, you can call and you can go my house to buy this fish. Only $5 guys. Alright, God bless you guys. See you soon guys. Love you. Yeah, love you darling. Okay. Yeah. See? And this my kid one guys. Alright. Yeah, see? Alright.